Today we are going to talk about long-term memory and what it is exactly. Memory is simply what you learn over time and storing and then retrieving that information or skill. So, long-term memory is simply information that is exclusive and can remain for decades and not be forgotten. It is the last stop and comes after short-term memory.
There are two different types of long-term memory. The one I'm going to talk about is declarative or explicit memory. This kind of memory is conscious. It includes what is called episodic memory, which refers to personal events that have occurred such as a specific time in your life, like a birthday or a graduation. Declarative memory also includes semantic memory, which is facts that can be general or personal, such as football is a sport.
The other type of long-term memory is non-declarative, or implicit memory. This type of memory is unconscious. There are 3 different examples of implicit memory. The first is procedural memory, which includes stuff like walking or riding a bike. The next is priming, and that is when one stimulus influences the response of another stimulus. Another example would be if someone were to see the word yellow, then they would also be slightly faster to recognize the word banana, because of their association to each other. The last is operant conditioning, and that's when behavior is controlled by consequences such as reinforcement and punishment.
Unfortunately, memory isn't always guaranteed, and amnesia can occur. Retrograde amnesia is when memory from before an injury or disease cannot be accessed anymore and therefore is forgotten. Anterograde amnesia is the loss of an ability to create any new memories after an injury occurs and can be considered short-term memory loss. Your long-term memory is usually intact when this happens.
In conclusion, long-term memory is when you are able to retrieve information from the past that may have occurred decades ago. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned some more about memory.
Thanks for watching.
Sweet.